Welcome to TBK Career Point. Now we are going to discussing about the alter command. So in previous classes we studied and discussed about the create command, how to create the insert command, how to work with the insert command, and how to do delete command, and also done the update command. So now the alter command purpose is, so if you want to do, so 4 operations we can say in we can divide them in 4 ways. We can add a new column, adding new column by using alter command. We can modify data type by using alter command. We can also delete column, and we can also perform renaming operation. So if you want to rename any column name, so existed column name can be modified or altered into a new column, right? So these 4 operations we can do by using the alter command. So let us see the one by one in detail. So we all are familiar with the table, student table, SID, yes name, yes location. So for all these 4 operations, write the syntaxes: add, alter, table name, add column name. So if you want to add a new column, column name, and we need to mention the data type also of the new column. So these are 3 columns are there, and now if you want to add one more column, so by using the alter command we can do it. So and write the syntax for modify operation. So the modify is we can able to modify the data type, alter table name, modify column name, data type, new data type. So already existed data type is something, and you wanted to modify to the new data type. In such case we need to mention that column name and the data type, new data type you wanted to modify it, right? And now take the third syntax, third operation by using the alter command. Third one is deleting the column. Delete. For deleting, syntax is alter table name. So now drop column. So this is a keyword, this is not the column name. We need to write column, drop column name, whatever column name you wanted to delete, right? So and finally the fourth functionality is renaming. So if you want to rename any column, so then what is the syntax is, so alter table name, you need to write rename old value to old column name to new column name, old column to new column. So these are the 4 syntaxes are there, and 4 operations we can perform by using the alter command on the existed table. So we can do these all 4 operations. Let us take examples one by one, then you will get a clarity on it, how to do these changes. So now for adding a new column, alter table name is student, we already familiar with it, table name. Now add new column, we have already 3 columns, SID, SName, SLocation, and new column I am taking SAge. So it is of type I am taking number of 5, right. So after doing this, we will get the prompting table is altered. So if you want to see this change or reflection, describe student, nothing but describe table name. So we can able to see that 4 columns will be visible with their column name and data type. So we already worked in this in create command. In all the commands already we have done it. You can refer the previous videos how what visible, what is going to be displayed, or else you can also type select star from table name student, right. So this is the add, how to add a new column. So after adding a new column, so we will get a table name like SID, select star from table name, then we will get SID, SName, SLocation, SAge. This is the new column. So for all these 3 already data is available, 2B Hyderabad. So now the new column is added, but no data is there. So if you want to fill this data, so again we need to write the query. By using some queries we need to fill this data. So how to fill this data? Let us take update command, update student, student is the table name, set SAge equal to some 20. So if you are doing this, 2 rows will be updated, because already we know how the update command works. You can see in the previous video. So if you write this query, simultaneously all the records will be updated with age 20. Or if you don't want to update the same age to all the records which are existed in the table, so we can specifically enter the age by referring the student ID or student name or student location, right. So by taking unique column we can modify the SH, we can give the SH values differently, right. So I hope you understood. So you please work on it on the editor. So with examples we will get to know how it is working. So now the modify, the similar way the modify how it works, we will see. Alter table name is student. So now we are going to modify. So S location is given actually varchar of 10. So now we wanted to modify it as char of some 10. So this is the modification we have done, alteration. So now table is altered, right. So you want to see the reflection, now we can go for describe or select star from. So this is the size must be greater than the previous, otherwise it is not going to be allowing. So the lesser value cannot be taken because already the data is there in the table, right. So likewise we can perform the modify the data type can be changed by using the alter command. So now we will go with the third one, which is deleting a column. So how to delete a column? So take example for deleting the column. In the similar way, alter table name is student. So now you wanted to drop some SName or SAge which is newly added. So then we have to alter table student drop SAge. So now the table is altered. So before this 4 columns are there. After performing this, after writing this query or alteration, so 4 rows will be down to 3, 4 columns will down to 3 columns because alteration has been done, right. So if you want to see this, we can go for describing, or else we can select see the select star from table name. So likewise we can delete any column in the table. And finally the last one is how to work with the renaming. So if you want to rename, so in the same way, alter table name is student. Now rename column old value to new value. So if the old value I am taking as name to name only. So now this is the change or alteration is going to be done on the table. Then you will get the table is altered. So once it is altered, we can able to see this change on the table. So likewise we can work with the alter command on the table. So based on our data, based on our requirement, we can do all the modifications or all the alterations. 4 alterations we can do on the existed table. So we can write more number of queries likewise. So you are requested and suggested to do more examples on it by on the different tables. Then we will get the complete concept of the alter command. So this is the complete information regarding the alter command. So that's all about the alter command. I will go for the next command in the next video. Thank you.